All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday. There are no live sessions for today for your content courses, but you should be going to your advisory CDT conferences today. And then for the remainder of the day, you're expected to complete your assignments for your content courses. So it's an asynchronous day. Today is scheduled for to complete the 2.5 unit test part 2. It's a folder assignment, and I will show you what it looks like. Just remember the PAL is due by midnight tomorrow, PAL number 2 by midnight tomorrow. All right. So, um, unit 2 was rational, irrational numbers. What we covered was the greatest common factor, the least common multiple, and then the laws of exponents. The unit test part 2 has 4 questions. These are questions 1 and 2 here. It's worth 12 points total, 3 points each. Share your work is not required. However, you may earn partial credit if you show your work, and I will be able to give you better feedback to help you make corrections if you show your work. Otherwise, I'll just be able to say it's incorrect. Okay. So again, make sure you put your answers on the line provided. You have to find the GCF of these 3 monomials and then the LCM. Again, you do not have to show or explain your work. If you do, you can earn partial credit, and I will be able to give you more meaningful feedback. And then part B and C. So I have it as A, B, and C, but really there's 4 questions. So B has question C and part C has question 4. And use the laws of exponents to simplify the expression. And we have 2 problems here. Okay? So all you really have to do is put your final answers on the lines. And if you show your work or explain your work, you may earn partial credit. If not, you can't earn partial credit, and you will be able to make corrections and resubmit. When you're finished with the assignment, it is a Word document. You will either print it, write on it, scan it in, or open it, edit it, save it, and you go under Tools, Assignments. And under Unit 2, you'll see the folder 2.5 Unit Test Part 2. That's the folder where you should submit it. If you haven't already, make sure you've completed all the other Unit 2 assignments leading up to the unit test. Both tests, part 1 and 2, right? Actually, part 1 was due yesterday, part 2 is due today. They both close on Wednesday, November 7th. Okay, so unit test part 1 was due yesterday, October 22nd. Part 2 is due today. Sorry about this little burst. I should have updated it. Is Tuesday, Tuesday the 23rd. I won't put zeros until next Monday, and they will close on November 7th. And then make sure you've completed all of your practices and quizzes. Actually should complete them prior to doing part 1 of the test. Also, again, for part 1 of the test, make sure that you study and can answer all the review questions. I sent them out in an email yesterday because you only get 1 attempt on part 1 of the test. Okay. And when you access part 1 of the test, you'll be able to download the Unit 2 questions. For the questions that are on the online test, you can actually print them out and work on the PDF file. If you don't hand that in, it's just for your reference. And then you want to click the recording that has the test questions read out loud. Okay, so again, I apologize for the dates here, but today is the unit test part 2. If you have any questions, send me an email, give me a call. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.